Hey, so how mattress border embroidery was done? Well, let's find out with NeckPro. Computerized machine embroidery or computer controlled and specifically engineered for embroidery. Industrial embroidery machines and combination sewing embroidery machines have a hooping or framing system that holds the frame area of fabric tiles under the sewing needle and moves it automatically to create a design from a pre-programmed digital embroidery patterns. Depending on its capabilities, the machine will require varying degrees of user input to read and sew embroidery designs. Multi-needle industrial machines are generally threaded prior to running the design and do not require rethreading. These machines require the user to input the correct color change sequence before beginning to embroider. Some can trim and change colors automatically. Machine embroidery is a multi-step process with many variables that impact the quality of the final product, including the type of fabric to be embellished, design size, stabilizer choice, and type of thread utilized. So, what do you think about the result? Pretty cool, huh? Leave your comment and share us your thoughts. Well, that's all today. See you in the next video. Brought to you by NeckPro.